Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Holly Wolf here, and you're watching Wolf of the Wild. Today we have some beans to pick. I actually have some really gorgeous Scarlett Runner beans that have been trellising up this beautiful archway, as well as some over in a planter over there. And we're gonna kind of go through. There's a lot of these gorgeous pods that we are going to pick. Oh my God. Ah, they're full of beans. Big guys, actually, too. So I'm going to harvest some of these gorgeous Scarlett Runner beans so I can store them for next year and most likely do the same thing because this is absolutely gorgeous. Scarlett Runner beans have a beautiful, bright, like pinkish red pods. They smell amazing. They attract a lot of insects and they're very prolific in producing seeds for next year. So we're gonna go through, clean him up. I might not take him out fully, but I'm definitely going to clean him up quite a bit and just take out all of the dried bead pods already and go from there. So we've already had our first frost and a few more are coming. So I just kind of want to really start winding down in the garden, cleaning everything up and making sure I grab things before they go to waste and I can't collect them anymore. So we're gonna get right to it today, collect some bean pods. Bean pods. We're going to be collecting bean pods today. I don't know why that's so hard to say. I'm having a really hard time. But anyways, Scarlett Runner beans. We're gonna collect them all. It's kind of like falling into my face a little bit, so it'll be really nice to kind of open this up as well. By the time the end of year is here in the garden, it gets a little cramped, which is great, but it's nice to start cleaning things up once they aren't producing anymore. So yeah, anyways, let's get right to it and see how many of these kind of mature dried ones we can find. Let's go. So we've collected many beans. I'm pretty sure there's still more, but I'm gonna call it here for today and leave the rest for when I do like a major garden cleanup. Anyways, I have some beautiful green ones. Not sure what I'm gonna do with these. They were just kind of like easier to get out of the way. But here are all of the mature ones. The pods just crack right open and have these beautiful dark purple speckled beans. Oh yeah. So ASMR. They're so pretty. They look gorgeous. So there's definitely more of them, but I've got a good little pile here. And I just Googled what to do with them, so you can eat them. They're not a good dried bean for storage, but you can boil them, saute them, you know, make sure you cook them properly, and you can eat them. So that's great. We love that. I was honestly just picking these or planting these for decoration and for attracting beneficial insects because they are a beautiful vining bean. And yeah, they're absolutely stunning. I typically plant a lot of like green beans, yellow beans, purple beans for sauteing the entire bean. These guys, when they're more mature, you can't eat them like that, but you can eat the beans. So that's amazing. So many of them are already just like fully starting to crack and pop. Oh, wow. Woo! This one is so dry. Oh my God. Okay, I need to stop. I actually think I might just do a live where I like shell these and hang out because that's a really mindless, chill task. But yeah, I'm actually really happy with this. Still have to clean up the actual vines. The one I planted close to the fence over there, like, went all the way on the other side of the fence, like outside of the property, and almost every single pod on the other side that was getting full sun all freaking day. They were all dried. So I thought I was done, and then I like kind of lifted it over the fence, and there was just a ridiculous amount of them. So that's awesome. I also have some peppers in here that I'm hoping to actually put in the basement this year because they're still growing, but I want to try to also overwinter my bigger pepper plants, which is a whole nother video, but anyways, they're like staring me dead in the face, so that's why I mentioned it. Let me know if you've done that because I really need advice. So yeah, anyways, thank you so much for watching today's videos. Let me know if you have beautiful Scarlett Runner beans. What's your favorite bean to plant? I would like to know in the comments down below. Make sure you like and subscribe as always, and thank you so much for watching Wolf the Wild. I'll see you next time. Bye.